हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू द एसे पॉइंट। आज के इस वीडियो में हम ऐसे लिखने जा रहे हैं एंड द टॉपिक ऑफ दिस ऐसे इज यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी। बहुत बार स्कूल्स या कॉलेजेस में हमें कॉम्पिटिशन्स भी ऑर्गेनाइज किए जाते हैं, एग्जाम्स में भी ये टॉपिक पूछा जाता है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। द टर्म यूनिटी इन डाइवर्सिटी refers to the state of togetherness or unity in spite of the presence of huge diversity. Unity in diversity is based on the concept where the individual or social differences in the physical attributes like skin color, caste, creed, cultural and religious practices, etc., are not looked upon as a conflict. Instead, these differences are looked upon as the varieties that enrich society and the nation as a whole. So, ये था हमारा पहला पैराग्राफ. Now let's move forward to our next paragraph. The concept of unity in diversity is very important principle because we all live in a diverse world. We people should always help and support each other no matter what our culture, background, gender, orientation or other differences may be. We should all help everyone in difficult times, not mattering the backgrounds we come from. The seeds of national unity are present in our culture. Our religious practices, holy books, music, festival are all common. Hence, these sources of unity are the cementing force. The best example of India's unity is diversity of our defense services. In our defense services, people from all the communities, religious, caste and creed come together to offer their service to protect our nation. They live together and fight together. We should set them as our example and move ahead in our lives. We should always stay united for the betterment of our lives and our society. So this is all what my essay consists of. अगर ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी हो तो do subscribe to the channel.